Hey, my name is Mitchell. Before we jump into this case review, I want to thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. Without your support, I could not keep this channel going. If you want to purchase this case or any of the cases, go ahead and use my affiliate links. It's of no cost to you and it supports me. I've been really active on Twitter, and I'll go ahead and I'll have a link to that. I tweet about updates that come to this device, I chat with people, and overall just really enjoy connecting with you guys. Also, if you are looking for some more written content, maybe your English isn't as good, I have a website which I'm constantly updating with new updated written material, and I'll have just links to all that stuff in the description down below. Okay, let's just jump into this. Now, as I said before, this is my favorite case, and this is probably just kind of like a generic Chinese case that I found online. You might see it under other names, but this is the rugged shield case for the Redmi K20 Pro. And this thing is a thick boy, a thick boy. Ow, like it is a durable, rugged case. It's got tons of drop protection on the corners. It's the kind of thing where like you smack it around and the case has structure to it. You put your phone in it, and then it's like, boom. The phone instantly becomes way more rugged, way more durable. You have a lay on the table design. It's very minimal around the screen, but it definitely extends up past the screen. Tons of drop protection on the corners, and overall, it's a tank, right? This takes your K20 Pro and it gives you like something to hold on to. Like if you guys like mobile gaming, right? You're not gonna have any accidental side touches of the screen. The edge detection I experience with this case so far is actually better, right? Because sometimes you'll have your palm side of the screen and then you go to swipe and it's rejecting the swipe because of palm reduction. Or that could be touch jitter. You guys decide. But the reality is that this is like probably one of my favorite cases. It's like big, it's bulky. It will cause thermal throttling if you're gaming for long periods of time, simply because it insulates the phone so well. Day-to-day usage, this thing is a tank. For drop protection, it is right now, I think, the best on the market. Now, it's not without flaws, because right around the selfie camera cutout, it does reflect green light back into it. So if it's being lit from the top, you're going to have light reflecting back into it. It's the same kind of problem that we've seen on other K20 Pros where the light is reflecting off of the side bezel in direct light. It's just on this one it has a green tint. So if you're a big selfie person, this might not be the best case for you, but it doesn't get in the way of any of my selfies or any of the things that I use the device for. One of the best parts about this case, in my opinion, other than the protection of it, is the way it feels in your hand. Because of all the added grip to it, the device is totally one-handable and it's no longer kind of slippery. And this offers like the most grip of any of the cases I've found. And on top of that, if I was going to be mounting this phone, let's say, in a cell phone holder to do pictures with, the added grip up on the sides means that I would have no like worries putting it in a cell phone holder and then like holding it out for selfies or walking around with it, simply because of that added grip. For most people, that's never going to matter, but for someone like me who does do more mobile photography and stuff like that, it is a nice added feature. One last thing to mention before we get going is that this case does a great job of protecting the rear cameras and rear glass when you set your phone down. If you're worried about scratches, this case will completely eliminate the worry or the need to worry about scratches. So I like it. It's not a case for everyone. In my opinion, it's probably my favorite case that I have right now out of the 5 cases I have for the Redmi K20 Pro. And if you guys want to buy it, I'll have links to it in the description down below. I'll also have links to my Redmi K20 Pro case playlist up here. I'll have links to the Redmi AirDots and why you shouldn't buy them up here. Links to my comparisons with the Poco F1 over here. And as always, guys, if you want to make sure you don't miss any of these videos, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, it's been Mitchell. See you soon.